Happy Valentine's Day to my beloved Robis family in the United States. And I would like to flex this Valentine card. For 35 years had passed. I gave this card to my mom on her birthday, February 2 of 1991. Yes, 35 years had passed. And I'm glad my mom Candelaria is a good keeper for sure. I found this card when I'm back here in the Philippines. Can you believe that? And thank you, Mom, for keeping this card. It's a good memory. I wrote this card for my mom, Candelaria, on January 29 of 1991, and I cannot believe the wonderful message I wrote for my mom on this year of 1991. I gave this to my mom again on her birthday, February 2 of 1991. And this is a Valentine card, and I call it a package. A Valentine card and a birthday card for my mom. Can you believe that? What a wonderful message I wrote for my mom. Wow. Thank you for everything, ma'am, and I love you. I love you, Mom Candelaria. I love you, Dad Vicente, and I love you, Grandpa Sano, who loved and cared me when I was born and growing up here in the Philippines. Thank you for everything. Once again, love you, Mom Candelaria, Dad Vicente, and Grandpa Sano. And happy Valentine's, everyone, especially to my Berobis family in United States.